Hey guys, TechMentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Space Black iPhone 14 Pro from Apple. Now, we did unboxing for the gold and the new deep purple and of course the other colors as well, which if you guys want to check those video out, do that. And we'll also do some color comparison between these model in the next videos upcoming. So we're going to go ahead and unbox this, show you guys the new features and take a look at the Space Black color, how it looks like on the iPhone 14 Pro. So as you can see here, the new box of course comes with that new design and the wallpaper. And if we look in the box, that slim box that we've seen from starting with iPhone 12 here. Now we turn to the back here, we'll notice here on the back again it says iPhone 14 Pro, and what's included is only that USB-C to Lightning cable. There is no power adapter or headphones. And on the bottom here, you'll notice here those tabs as well. So that's what you're going to see. So we're going to go ahead and start taking this apart for you guys. So first thing first, pulling that tab open. Oh, that was a bad one. So let's try from this side. Alrighty, and then this one right here. Cool. Once you pull that apart, we're ready to access the phone and take a look. So let's go and take a look. So as you can see here, that's the Space Black, which I think is a mix between what used to be known as the Midnight and the actual Space Gray. So it's sort of the color. So we're showing it in light, and then you can see these cameras pretty huge. So we'll take it out of the box really quick, put it aside, and then take a look at what's included in the accessories. So only thing, as you mentioned, that cable here, that's just the typical cable that you get. There is no power adapter. And then here, the box where it says you no longer get the physical SIM card anymore because you have to use eSIM on the newer models, which is the US edition phones. And then safety and handling, and then Apple sticker, that one sticker that you get. So we'll put that aside and go ahead and take a look at the main thing, which is the phone here. So as you can see in my hand, again, that Space Black again looks beautiful. I think on my hand here, nice, perfect size. As you can see here on this side, we got that MMM for 5G capabilities on the right hand side, and then the side button, again reflective side here, and then looking from the top here in the light and off the light. And then on the other side with the volume up button and the silent button, as you can see here, there is no longer, as you can see, what used to be a SIM card right here for you to insert a SIM tray for the SIM card. That no longer exists because it's all eSIM, so you can't really put a SIM card anymore. And then the bottom here, speakers. So we'll go ahead, take a look, and then look at the back here again, close up again. See fingerprints already marked on it, but if you look close, the cameras, huge cameras, and the phone itself. So we'll go ahead and pull this up. Alrighty, and then hold that side button here to power it on. So if you haven't powered on a newer model phone, all you do is just hold this big side button until you see the Apple logo, and we just powered it on. And we're going to take a look at a little further once it's turned on, ready to go. So you can see it's powering on, and we should see the animation Apple logo. As you can see, the hello screen and the wallpaper. As again, you might have noticed that dynamic island up top here. There's no more top notch, so we're going to go ahead and slide it up. Now we're going to do a quick setup here, and of course we're not going to set anything up. This is just to get to the main screen, just so we can show you guys the features. All I'm doing here, entering our demo Wi-Fi account here. Of course you can activate it through cellular, but you need to connect to internet when you're setting up for the very first time, either cellular or Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi again, most recommended for you guys setting it up. So it says a few minutes to set up, and then what it will happen is if you bought your phone from a carrier, it will activate like this. So I'm hiding the number because it just gives the phone a number that it's going to activate it, and all you'll do in that screen is hit next to activate your number, and then you'll get this data and privacy info, and you're gonna hit continue. Face ID, you want to set up, of course, Face ID, but to unlock all the features, but we're not going to do any of that. Create a passcode. We're not doing any of that. Don't use. And then don't transfer Apple ID. And then we'll do setup later. Don't use. Hit agree. Continue here. And then iMessage and Face ID. Of course, you want to set that up. Again, all of these you'll set up, which we show you guys in another video today. But if you're doing a cellular setup for the very first time, you'll get this message where you can hold your other phone near it, or if you got a QR code to set up your cellular one, you want to do that, or you can come back in settings and do that. So we're just going to skip this setup because we're not setting up phone service, but you do want to do that. And then Siri, screen time, and then don't share it. You can see it can go with the light mode or the dark mode. We'll just go with the light here. Continue, standard, or zoom is standard. Now the new features on the new iPhone 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Max, it's this crash detection. Basically, if you're in a severe car crash, the phone has built-in sensors to detect that and call emergency services. And then this new feature coming in fall, which is emergency SOS via satellite. So you can, the iPhone can make emergency services via satellite if you can't connect to Wi-Fi. So it can continue hit that, and as you can see here, and then setting up cellular service. We're not doing that right now, but as you can see, we're here at the main screen now. I want to show you guys the first feature, which is this always on feature. So when I click on this button, normally it will go black, but because always on is on by default, which you can turn off, but you'll see here the phone going dim and light. And then also along with that, if you hold this, you'll see the new wallpaper collection where you can add different wallpapers. I can go ahead and add another wallpaper. I can customize that. I can add different events and clock. I can remove stuff. As you see here, I can go ahead and different things, customize this customization, which again, a neat feature. And now this is a feature of iOS 16, not iPhone itself, but as you see here, how quickly it is. So you can pretty much go ahead and change the call of it. And then show you guys another feature is in the camera settings. If you go all the way and check out the camera format, you can go to Apple Pro RAW. You'll see here this ability for you to use the main camera as a 48 megapixel camera. Now that's the main camera. Of course, there's triple the cameras. Two of them are still 12 megapixel, but the main one here is the 48 megapixel one. And then if we open up the camera app, you'll notice here you can choose your style, which we did before, but this other feature in the actual mode of camera, which you can do action mode. Now it basically stabilizes the camera whenever you're doing on the go, which we'll go ahead and test out. Of course, cinematic mode from the previous generation update is also there, so those are going to be other updates to look at. Now the dynamic island, so go ahead and lock this really quick, press and hold just to show you guys how easy it is. Let's go ahead and press and hold this, change that, so you can see that dynamic island. We'll show you guys how we can activate that. So go ahead and activate voice memo and then do recording, and then close this out. And then if I hold this, as you can see, that dynamic island activating just like that. So that's the new feature. You can activate it, click on it, hit done, open up app. So again, a cool update just so you guys can see. And this is running on iOS 16 out of the box here. So as you can see here, it's just like iOS 16. If you're running on another phone, you'll get all of those updates as well. Now that's it for the review of it. Again, this is the space black edition of it. Let me know, what do you guys think about the space black color compared to the other one? We're here from you guys. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we want to hear from you guys. What's your favorite color on the iPhone 14 Pro lineup? Leave a comment in the comment section, or which one you have bought already if you bought one, and how do you like it. And thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.